I've escaped. What a week. We're on winter break, week 1 of winter break. The kids get 2 weeks off of school. And the entire first week have been filled with illness, sickness. I've taken Omar to the ER twice this week. Turns out he has influenza A, so the flu. But poor guy, he hasn't been able to eat or drink anything, hold anything down. They ended up having to give him his first IV in the hospital ever. So he was really scared, but he was a tough kid, braved it out. And today he's feeling better. So I'm super thankful that all it was the flu, and he's on the mend. Hopefully week 2 of winter break, we'll be able to do something a little bit funner because we've been at home just stuck. But today, mommy escaped for a little bit. I think Marv realized that I just needed a break. Spending that much time in ER and tending to sick babies and all that stuff is not very fun, and it drains your energy, and I just need a refresher. So today, I'm only about 2 miles from home, and I'm at this little place called IKEA. So I'm so excited. I actually have 2 things to get. I've been holding off to get these 2 items for months. I have not been here in probably 6 months or more. The 2 items are popsicle molds. I'm hoping they still carry them. I bought them years ago when Anissa was really young, really little. Yusuf is hooked on paletas. If you don't know what paletas are, they're Mexican popsicles, and you can, make them whatever you want. So you fill it with whatever juice or fresh waters you want. In my case, I'm going to be putting a little dash of Pedialyte and, some sort of natural juice inside of the molds, and then freeze them, versus getting the sugared out popsicles that you get at the grocery store. So, and they can get quite expensive if you go organic. So I'm here to look for popsicle molds. And the other thing is, I need a cute fake plant. I can't keep plants alive to save my life. I don't know what it is. It's probably because I have so many kids. I'm focused on taking care of them. I have 3 little planters in my bathroom, and I just want it to, look nice. Right now there's 2 fake plants sitting in there, and 1 is empty. And it's been like that for a hot minute. Oh, and I also wanted to say Happy New Year. I'm actually quite proud of myself. This year was when I started this channel, and my goal was just to try it. I'm a very introverted person. I like my privacy. I like being in my cave. I like just being with my family. My challenge to myself was to start a channel and just be a little more open and share a little bit of myself and my family with all of you guys, my beautiful internet family. Thank you so much if you've been watching for a while, and if you haven't, please subscribe so that our channel continues to grow, and I will keep recording. Ew, there's some poop on somebody's window. Is it poop or is it my window? Oh, it's on my window. I thought it was on somebody else's window. That's yucky. Time for a car wash too. Anywho, I'm going to spend probably 30 minutes in IKEA and see what I can find. See if I can find those 2 items. And I'm going to take you guys along. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ding all the things. Let's go. Okay, I'm here. First thing I noticed. How much are these? Those are cute. Nice one. I'm thinking about using this for like bottles. They also have these if you want to use it for cleaning your sinks. And these are nice too. Natural bristles. They even have it with a metal handle for a little bit more. I found it. This is it. So they got these and these. But this is what I want. I'm gonna try these. I found them on Amazon for 10 bucks. So see, these are $2.99. What a steal. So I'm gonna grab one of each. A pink one and a blue one. So that gives me 12 popsicles or 12 paletas. And it's a good size, nice and small for Yui. Cute. All right, one thing down, one to go. I just need to find my plant. Let's go. I love this. I love dragonflies, so this is cute. $31.99. So cute. Okay, here's another plant. $2.99 for this one. That one's pretty too. I'm just not sure if it goes with what I already have. Let's keep looking. Closer to where the plants are so I can really take a look at what they have option wise. They have pretty, oh, look at this. So pretty. Ooh. That's so pretty. Look at this wall. I would consider doing a hanging plant like this, but I think my cats would be all over this, and I don't want that either. Right now they leave my fake plants alone, so yeah, I think my cats would go crazy with this. I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna keep looking. Too big. Oh, here we go. This looks, oh, I was gonna say this looks real because it is real. $9.99. This one looks realistic. Looks like rosemary. one I have in the bathroom right now looks like this, similar to this. So it's like that. Oh, this one's cool, and it would give it some height. I like that. How much is this? $4.99. And I think that's what I paid for my other ones. I like this one. Hold on, I gotta put this stuff down. I got too many things in my hands. This would give height. I like that. That's the right size. So I think this might be the winner, but let me keep looking. This also gives height. Because see, mine would look like this right now. I basically have a setup like that. So this one's nice too. It's nice and full. Should I go? Let me ask Marv. I'm gonna text Marv and say, which one do you like? What's this say? New lower price. $3.99. I like that. All right, let me see. I just texted Marv and I put all of these in a picture and I said, which one do you like? He chose this one. So this is the one. You're coming home with me. I'll show you guys at the end of this video what the end result looks like. Because I have 2 at home and 1 missing, 1 pot that's just empty. So I just want to plop it in there. And the pot I have at home is probably close to this size, maybe a little smaller. So I just throw something in there to lift it up some, you know, so it'll sit up high. So I found what I needed, my plant and my 2 molds. And I did check online. Amazon wants $10 and up, $10 to $20 for these same exact type of molds. So I will be going this route. My goal is to use like coconut water for hydration and maybe put fresh fruits in there, like sliced strawberries and things like that, and freeze them. I think the kids are going to love them. And we could do this year round. You know, save a lot of money. At Sam's Club, I've been spending about $15. So this is going to save a ton of money. All right, let's keep going. Nice plants here if anybody's looking for some. I like this one too. $12.99. Lavender. And you won't kill them like me. Yeah, artificial plants are the way to go for me. I just can't keep any plants alive. Don't know why. I don't know if I'm overwatering, underwatering, if the conditions aren't right. I have this one at home. It's really cute. And the cats leave it alone. $5. I have this one. See, so it's gonna look cute with that one. Yay! Look, they even have a little like greenhouse. $30. That is cute. Wait a minute. Look at 40% off artificial plants. Wait a minute. Oh, it's saying this one. This one's on sale. I hope mine's on sale too, but if not, it's still cute. I still want it. No, I think I'm happy with the one I chose. I think this is the one. All right, I'm gonna head out. Not bad. I was only in here for about 10 minutes. Look at how cute. So I found everything that I needed. I'm gonna head over to the clearance section. I like to just peek in there really quick every time I come. I'm happy. I mean, I literally spent 10-15 minutes in here. I'm gonna head out now. I don't wanna leave the kiddos for too long, especially Omar with his fevers. He keeps spiking fevers, so I wanna get back home and help him. pretty busy in here today. There's a tree for you. $5.69. Look how pretty. If I had the space in my kitchen, it's really nice though. I like this. Holiday sale items. $3.49 for these cute canisters. It's right there. Oh wow, 70% off all this stuff over here. Cute. Little candle holders. Lots of candles. If my kiddos weren't so sensitive to scents, I would consider. But alright, so this is the clearance section I'm talking about. It's called As Is. I usually just walk through and see if there's anything. $18. These right here, oh my, they are so good. How do you pronounce that? Daim or damn? I'm so proud of myself. I stuck to everything that I wanted to get and a tiny bit more. That was it. Okay, I'm back out in the car. I wanted to show you my little IKEA haul. You guys saw what I got. My goal was to get popsicle molds and a plant. This plant I will never kill. The cats can't break it. They can't eat it and get sick off of it. It was $4.99, I believe. $4.99 and 25 cents off. So $4 and $4.75. These I found in the As Is section. I thought they were so cute. They have little birds and leaves all the way around. And I know they're for like votive candles and things, but you can always use them for other things. Like for me, I like to use them for remote control holders or pencil holders on my desk, or for the girls. They would love this for their paintbrushes, art supplies. So, and I got these for $1.99 each. And actually, I think I got those a little bit cheaper. Hold on. Yeah, $1.99 and 10 cents off. So pretty good. And then the molds, the popsicle molds. I'm so excited to use these. They're going to be so excited, especially Yusuf. This is his jam right now. Before I came to IKEA, I went to a clothing swap and I found a couple little cute tops, some polka dots, and a cute little green pattern tunic shirt. Couple hijabs. I'll try those on when I get home too. So that's what I got at IKEA. Pretty good. Headed home. I'll show you guys the final look in my bathroom for my plants. And then I'm going to take a nap. See you next year, IKEA. While I was putting Yui to sleep, Salma was sweet and washed all the pieces and parts. So sweet.
See you next year.
Stay up.